ride his 4-wheeler. I'm gonna be honest with you, I want to sit next to the pool and drink a strawberry daiquiri. That's just me. But yeah, we're like super excited. We're gonna go have some fun. Just a little bit of riding. And I want to relax more than I want to ride, but I'm sure I'll end up riding all day. So we're super excited. I know the wife's pretty excited to go stay in the motorhome and not be stressed or worried about going to do motos and training and stuff like that. It's gonna be really fun. So yeah, looking for a little relaxation to get a little refreshed for Loretta's next weekend, and yeah, go kill it for one last race and do all we can to get that third spot. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, we're looking forward to taking them on the trip.
I'm gonna try to video. We'll see how that goes.
Full sends. She's gonna get some big sends. I'm gonna freaking send this thing so you can fifth licked. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well.
Facts.
Yeah, you'll see. You'll see. I'll video as much as I can.
Oh, she's gonna get some videos.
We're gonna try.
No, she's going to.
It'll be cool.
She's definitely gonna get some videos.
Alright.
BBC and DJ.
DJ pulling the doubles.
Big rigging.
It's not cold. It's not cold. Oh, it's good. It's good. I'm not going in. It's too cold for that, but it's okay to stand here.
No, it actually is favorite.
Splash.
It's hot, but it's still got good flavor.
You hear how he was trembling?
It's dinner time. What do we make for dinner?
We call them hobo dinners. Foil
Yeah.
packets. We make foil packets.
Like that, but bigger.
Put a bunch of veggies in it. Potatoes, peppers, jalapeno.
Squash, zucchini.
Squash, zucchini, all the stuff. And
Got some rice.
we put it on the fire tonight, though. We had a fire.
They made chicken.
Yeah, I got chicken. We put them on the fire, the oak wood, and it turned out really good. Yeah, we're hyped on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, first afternoon in Silver Lake was a success. He's getting He's getting vlogging material.
Okay.
I had it. I had full body function at second moto. You know what I'm saying? It was there. I could get up and walk. You know what I'm saying?
Morning.
Morning.
My chauffeur.
All day, baby. No goggles, no gear. Yeah, DJ truck. Absolutely not. I don't want to pull that thing out of there. Oh, we sent her, bud. That's so fun. Oh, you're about to. I need my goggles. You weren't even actually got them? Oh, no. I hear shred the dunes.
Everyone going down and retrying. Makes me nervous.
You did good. You got us up here. We're up.
Yeah, we need some paddles. Our problem was traction, not power. That was good, but we need some better contestants. Listen, I could sit here and do this shit in here all day.
Well, I forgot I put it in
Yeah, this is
manual
fun.
and I didn't shift it.
Oh my god.
I wrapped revved out.
Revved out?
It was just hitting first.
Yeah, this is fun. Let's go again.
Yeah, this is the best part.
We got side by sides all on this side.
That fucking Cherokee was getting it. That freaking Cherokee was eating us up for a second.
I know, this thing just like sunk. It sits as soon as you take off. It's gonna like dig to grab something.
I did cut some.
I feel like you have to go a little faster than this.
No, not yet.
Yeah, 700 ponies. Damn, can you imagine if we would have said that? Let's fucking do it.
Turn around, let's do it again.
No,
Little air bubble underneath the truck won't hurt nobody.
I think we need to send it.
Absolutely
Ricky
not.
Bobby were like,
I think we need to get all 4 tires off the ground.
We're in there.
We're flying through the air. This is not good.
I am airborne.
I think we definitely need to just turn around and get at least 4 tires off the ground.
Jesus.
Did you see the guy even drop it? It was a little late.
Hey, we beat those two.
We need paddles. I mean, that's just plain and simple.
I was afraid earlier because there was 2 trucks coming down here, coming down through each other.
Jesus Christ. Your
I
parents?
gotta pull that ram out.
Do your parents watch our vlogs?
My parents? I don't know, I'll tell them to.
They might this time.
I don't even know if my dad knows what YouTube is.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna send it to him personally and send him the link.
Little text message.
Hey, when you gas that thing up right at the top, I was like, oh yeah, here we go. That dude blips the throttle at the top of it, ringing, yeah. Oh, that's all time.
Going back out?
Yes. Calling DJ to try to bring my C12 out. Yo, I need my C12 probably. Specialty.
Bottom's like very.
Specialty. Oh, I just blocked a little bit. I can't video because I always put my finger in front of the screen. It's just getting dusty in here.
Stuck. Okay. What's the coating on it?
Someone's excited. Where are we going?
No, they took it out.
Where are we going?
Lighthouse. Not even close.
Welcome. Now we take your picture together when you guys get there.
Hustled and bustled. Gotta be some kind of record. Red yesterday.
That
Red session.
area right there. So awesome. It's like super close to the water.
Little vacation weekend with a little bit of the casino.
Sunday, 4 o'clock. How many people are gonna be in here?
Everyone. Obviously, as you can see in the parking lot.
Yeah,
You know,
kind of busy.
it happens. We're just looking to have a little good time, go relax, a little fun with the wife.
It was on the way home. It wasn't out of the way at all. We
And
literally
she started playing roulette a little bit, so we got some fun.
I
you
played
know?
twice,
It's okay.
but
I'm willing to lose a little bit of money and spend some time with my wife, you know.
I'm following you.
At least she's going home with the money.